Apple has just released iOS 18.2 and it comes packed with some cool features. If you haven't updated already, you can do it by going to Settings, General, Software Updates. This time round, the weight is given for AI-powered intelligence features that can be used in iPhone 16 and iPhone 15, such as introduction of AI image generating app called Playground, ChatGPT integration with Siri, visual intelligence, and more. There are also other features that are available for all of the devices that support iOS 18. So in this video, let me take you through all of them. Apple introduced Image Playground in iOS 18.2. Image Playground is essentially a generative AI image creation tool that lets you create cartoonized images. You can simply use a photo of yourself or your loved ones and turn it into an AI generated image. You can get animation or illustration like image here, and it offers prompts such as themes, costumes, and accessories to creatively enhance your photo. This is one way how you can use this app. You can also use the Apple Intelligence search bar to describe an image and it will generate the image for you. Image generation only takes a few seconds, and as you swipe, you get a new image generated in seconds. Image Playground is also integrated with other apps like Messages and Notes. If you're texting someone, and you can simply generate the image idea within the app and send to your friends without having to leave the app. The coolest integration is that in the Notes app, you can simply draw your idea and you can use the image wand to turn it into an AI generated image that looks like magic. In Playground app, you only get cartoon-like images. You do not get photorealistic images for obvious safety reasons. Another integration is Genmoji. Genmoji is AI-generated emojis that works anywhere where you can use the keyboard, like for example in your WhatsApp messaging app. If you can't find the right emoji to express yourself, you can simply create one with your expression. Simply tapping the Genmoji's icon on the panel above the keyboard, you can generate it. All you need to do is just describe what you want to say. For example, I'm eating a burger and I want to share it with my friends. All I need to type is burger with fries and it does the job. Another new addition to iOS 18.2 is ChatGPT integration with Siri. The best part is now you do not have to have a ChatGPT account to use this feature, but you need to activate the ChatGPT extension for the first time. You can do it by going to Settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, and under Extensions tap ChatGPT. Once you have enabled it, now ChatGPT is integrated with Siri. ChatGPT comes into play when Siri cannot perform certain functions, but you can simply bypass Siri and ask ChatGPT to perform searches for you by asking Siri to ask ChatGPT. Another Easter egg here is the ability to ask what's on your screen. Siri will take a screenshot and ask your permission to send it to ChatGPT for search. ChatGPT is also integrated with writing tools. In addition to the normal features that you see in writing tools, at the bottom you will find a new option called Compose. This gives you the ability to use ChatGPT in various ways to enhance your writing experience. You can personalize your text generation, rewrite existing content with precision, and even create entirely new passages from scratch. Let's talk about visual intelligence introduced in iOS 18.2. It's a feature that works like Google Lens. You know how Google Lens can identify objects and provide information. Just hold down the camera control button on your iPhone 16 and it will activate visual intelligence, allowing you to ask ChatGPT what's on screen or search the image on Google. It can instantly identify objects, look up nearby restaurants, read reviews, or even identify different dog breeds. The Apple Mail with iOS 18.2 gives you a more organized inbox experience. The app now automatically categorizes emails into various sections like primary, transactions, updates, and promotions. This helps you find important messages quickly without shifting through all your emails. Also, you have the option to revert to the old style if you think you will miss certain emails. The voice note gets an update too. Now you can add a second voice note over the recording you have already saved. Just tap edit the recording and tap on the plus button that will add a new layer of recording. In the Photos app, the videos now get a full screen view. Also, the scrolling speed for videos have now been updated to centiseconds. This will allow you smoother and more precise scrolling to find the exact frame or moment you are looking for. In iOS 18.2, now you get a new option called Default Apps in App Settings. This allows you to customize which apps you want as defaults for tasks like browsing, emailing, and more. This means you can now set third-party apps such as Chrome or Microsoft Outlook as your default browser or email client. The audio volume slider can now be added to the lock screen for any app that plays music. This slider was available on iPhone before Apple removed it and now added it back. You need to enable this by going to the accessibility settings, the audio and visual settings, and toggling on always show volume control. In Safari, the download progress is now conveniently visible on both lock screen and dynamic island. Previously, the download progress could only be seen in the address bar, but now you have more visibility. The Find My app gets a new option to share the location link with an airline or trusted person. This will make things easier for you to find the item you have misplaced. The link also can now be opened with any non-Apple device. If you have been experiencing issues in mirroring your iPhone on your Mac when you're using iPhone's hotspot, then this issue has now been fixed in iOS 18.2. The iPhone mirroring now works even when your Mac is connected using your iPhone's hotspot. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will catch you in the next video.